To see it.
Yeah, man.
Dana. There, man. Hello. Like your hairstyle is still a go on. The hairstyle is still a go on. So I go on, Dana.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
For people, so we're there once more. So this is Talpi liquor spot where I do him liquor farming. You see me, and can do force layers. Then we could think next like I could investment can bring in CMA in the community. And this is a spot where I might tell you about. So we just say we come check it out. And everybody already know Talpi, already the member of the dream team.
Well, we know that community.
Yeah, and this is a way it'll be a start, but we can do some layer. You understand? Now we have man like Prince here where I will play a part in helping out with the work as well to run and so. And we can do we can plan Kalaloo run to see me and have layers, you know. Yeah. So this will be a start where the dream team and them can work with CMA to Talpi there.
Pepper them thing them, tomato them thing man. Then they are good land dollar. Yeah, man, hold it man. I always can look again Kino, can see an expand there. And the chicken cook that
over there, so?
Yeah, it's bigger one that you know already, so.
Yeah. And that would be a great idea. Because you have a door now where they call me and said them will send some seed come and them think that's way too. And what we think about farming, you see me, like raise fowl, and then we could think that we can bring an investment in the community. And that would be good because this is almost from the main. You see me, so it's only can get bigger from here, so because this will be the start.
Bigger.
You see, man, and that space here is really a big space.
Yeah, good space.
This is really a big space.
Nice space.
And it's a thing where you know, say you and your family will do it. You see me? So the person will contact me about the idea. So we have Talpi here. You see me, same thing, we have the dream team member them and my family who can give the strength. Who can start all this round and stuff, we can do the farming and the fowl there. You know, bring the investments here, because to help out people in the community, same way.
Definitely.
You understand? And it's a really a good idea. And Talpi and the family will deal with it.
Yeah.
You see me? So you don't know, so we can have a Kalaloo see me and cook. You see me? I say,
spikes.
Italian spikes, and we have tomato and everything, and the layer them food them and them want them breakfast and the man them get them egg. You know, the people in the community. I see there, so that. So we don't need a thing them like we need materials and everything like for this and tools. I was supposed to get some tool as well too from over, so.
Let's see what the ground Marvin. Yeah man.
Yeah.
That's a blessed ground man.
Yeah man. So the plant in that ground man, the layer them can go on it.
No, that's we never want that one. We never build up for that.
Okay.
We never been a problem, you see me?
Yeah. So tell the people them say, see there, we'll find the spot and Talpi. You see me? And the dream team member them they are ready to give the strength, see him.
Ready to put in the strength.
Because you know so we have to do the farming as well too.
Yeah, the farming have to go on that one.
Harvesting have to go on.
Yeah man.
The layer them can come and eat also, and some white fowl as well to see them where. You have tomato and Kalaloo can come brown and so see them where. You name it. The space can expand and we look for the pop throw, you know. Well, make good thing there, so it can go on. Them good thing that good for the community. I understand, so
sweet pepper,
you name it.
Hot pepper and thing.
And this is bring a good little investment for the youth them at the end of the place who can come on. You see me and come so I go on and put in the work, see me.
Your feet, you know, so you can get somebody who can do
it. Because the man could never ask me if I know what I do. I'm telling about it a long time. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, because them know about the farming and the races and that.
Yeah.
See me?
So they don't want to do the farming.
Yeah, they want me to shoot it out. Them serious that, is it?
Well, of course.
Yeah.
We're going to start, man. Sorry, the builder never there as well to tell me. Wow. But he might have a chance to come measure it. And you could think that you can go and see me. You know,
yeah,
so.
Man, I'm going to team going there.
Yeah, man. Start the plow up the land and then you could think there, you know. Get the layers, them. Definitely make it work, man.
Is a good gun,
Yeah.
Good gun this higher.
We are doing it, man, therapy, and one of them are going to reach out. I'm say the person who contact me, now them are going to watch a program and them are going to see. And say, yo, the dream team, therapy and family, they're ready to start the farming. You see me? And we have layers and everything too. So it's a good investment.
I couldn't do it, but I did farming that about seed and them things, you can go and plant in my yard too.
Yeah.
Transplant from Korea wire.
Yeah. You can go and sow them in your yard.
Yeah, man, come here, plant the big land on the road, man. I can farm it, man. Banana. I thought we plant the palm punch. I want to see my yard.
It's big.
Yeah, man, man, dream team, man.
Dream team, man. So we say one team.
One team.
I'm part of my glimpse in the yard.
Yeah. Alright, then therapy. We work towards it, man. Definitely work towards it. So the viewers them sister, yo, the dream team member them ready to put in the farming. So you know, so health we are dealing with CMA.
Sure.
It's a good investment for the community and the youth them in the place as well too. Something what them can do. You understand?
Get themselves.
A lot of things to get active.
Yeah.
But certain thing, you know. A nice community, but
of course. Lack of activity. So we have to do things that can bring in income for everybody can try for them head
moving to keep them head moving.
Yeah, one summer inactive.
Yeah, go feed some chicken, go water some plant. That them need that.
Right, I got big role for benefit, you understand? So
them look at cheer egg on them.
That's good. I know so egg is a thing we always need.
That's a lot, man. People buy egg every day.
Them just buy them little tray and pack out them egg and sell all the shop. And the community can sell it a road.
Yeah, but definitely know how the person, man. So the person always going to watch this. So when them see this, we know them are come back and say, yeah, this is it.
We have begun now, so.
Yeah, so we have people who want to send seed already. You understand? And once we get them thing done, get some income now for deal with the layers them and get the materials them and thing. And I mean, we are all for work for doing, so this is a part of the work as well too. And the worker cannot go and same time because you know so the color load them thing that we're gonna need them. You see me? And the chicken we can, the chef can go and cook in it, Marvin go and curry up, pop chow, see me.
Even in a time when Dana something go on, around the material some man can do over Dana.
Yeah, because with the right just right next to Dana. So to show you how close, so we can go check Dana now like over there, so the viewers them can see how close it really is to Dana, so we can spread out and do the whole of the work same time. Yes, brother. Yeah, man. Go and show Prince. Holy for space that one is a same here still. Holy for yeah. Yeah, so.
Hey, girl, little come go down and find
You see it?
Yeah, man.
Dana. There, man. Hello. Like your hairstyle is still a go on. The hairstyle is still a go on. So I go on, Dana. For TV that work.
Yes,
the water never to mash it up.
Catch you the quad, if it turn on.
Yeah. The water that damage it. That's good. So everything though. Rain still left and we see him here.
Yeah.
But you can imagine the rain left and you see him here.
Yeah.
There's a whole heap of water, boy.
But the water not come up so much like what here.
Oh, this time
yeah,
not comes.
See this thing for sure.
Yeah.
Water come up.
Yeah man, as I say man, your time is coming. Cause you know we have the chef shop for God David.
Yeah.
And the lady of 2nd Street. Now they will even at the toilet, the bathroom place there. And then we will come along around here. Because we're get close to Talpi.
Yeah.
Because they want to do a farm right next to you as well too. And that's good right over there so.
Okay.
And do some layer. And that's good for the community. Right? That's how the same time with the rest I work. This is water. Oh, the water come in.
Up to the top, come right here, so, and come straight in.
It's a whole heap of water, man. Because you're curtain right there, so. It's a whole heap of water, man. Come up, man, down.
Yeah. Last week,
that. Oh, yeah, man, isn't it? Father got to hold up him hands.
Yeah,
you understand, and him say, we want to reach there so we can get this thing over with, you understand? And we're going to deal with it. So, we speak to some people as well too, they contact me differently. But say they don't want to help me towards a foundation and what I do. And they don't want to contribute blacks as well. So me when I was talking to them, I said, well, they probably change your mind. Yeah, once them confirm and everything where them can help you out with the blacks them. Would I try to get some black instead of the ply. You see me? So them say they're ready to supply black rope. So we'll contact them back. You see me? Them say they might get back to me when they speak to them people. And if them can come on board now and try to give us some blacks in a level project we are taking on to that grade. So to that kind of help we see me to see the donors them from try to reach where them can reach. So it's that good. So the love we can them can come on board and give it the black them. So we keep a finger crossed because they must speak to some members of them team and yeah. So yeah, and God will help. So that's that great. So I also have donation for you as well too. 2 donation for you as well too. So you can do what you want and towards the groceries or anything you want to do at the minute. So when time you know we're ready to do your part now, because you know so you have to eat and the kids them there, you have to constantly have to buy groceries and make sure so them eat. So you know really start collect anything yet towards the material because sure we know so we have the chef for deal with and we have the lady at 2nd Street for the 3 kids them and we have you. So the people them say to reach out because they know so you have the kids them around and they have to eat and they're not working. So there's a donation from Smudge from St. Elizabeth and them living in Toronto. So their name Smudge. So this is $10,000 from Smudge. Count it.
Thanks, Smudge.
Smudge your name.
Very much.
Your name Smudge.
Smudge, thank you very much. This can provide for my kids then.
Yeah. And we also have another one as well too from Pablo from Canada. This is Pablo from Canada. $14,000 from Pablo from Canada.
Thank you, Pablo. Thank you very much. All the donors them, thank you very much.
Yeah. So we are continuing the mission, see you, man. As I say, and as soon as we finish them, you know, so they come over here, so come deal with your situation. So the kids them can, alright. Oh, you have video me? You have video you too. Yeah, man, the future them, because them say they want to become a dream team member, you know, so it's also good.
Everything they talk about you, know.
That's nice, and the kids them tune in. You know them on the future, because from them like it, that means we're doing something good.
Now why not should not stop watching?
Yeah, she go watch herself now. So Mr. say you have to video lady already, okay. So we can on your camera then. Yeah, Miss Dana. So you know we are continuing to make 1 and 2 walks here, man. We're definitely there so for your ear. Yeah, anything what can happen. So if anybody contact me, see me, you know, I come contact you. But we are hope and pray so them people that come on board.
Yes.
So we can get some blocks. And then we could think that with them can help you out on each project or work on, which is it can see the donors them as well too.
Yes.
From contribute towards that. So it's to be a deeply help what I really want. So I give thanks for that. So big up to them if them watch a program, you know.
Big up to all the donors them, big up to all who give blacks. And may God bless you know, and our pocket never empty.
Yeah, I made them full basket never go empty. I like that video one original, so she so my sister you gotta be my video lady.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see your video, I video about me go get your camera, make you do some video for me, okay? What you say? You not answer. You want to do camera to do the video? You want some video in? So I'm saying she have video good too. Yes, Dana.
Yeah.
So we catch you back again. Yeah? Kids?
Yeah. I'm blessed with dream team.
Yeah. Give thanks to the donors them and give thanks to the Almighty.
Yeah.
You know, blessings and give thanks.
Ask him to guide and protect you know.
Yeah.
That era, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah man, so you don't know. A lot of viewers them are praying for you.
Going out and coming in. Yeah, I'm Kino when you drive go home. Ask God for it. Steer the steering for you, yeah, and cover you man.
Yeah man, we for guidance, yeah? The viewer them are praying for you a lot and them are praying for you too. Yeah?
I remember the shirt.
Oh, you want your shirt? See? So I say that now, I have to get them shirt, you know, the viewers them you say that. The kids them need them dream team shirt. And how much of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far? 6.
Tick man.
Yeah, and tip man.
Every day I'm come past the Kino not come yet.
And so she make sure I ask up on camera and I remind me, remember the shirt. So you see, the world I hear when you say that. So I definitely have to get some kids shirt. You that liquor?
Right.
So I get some kids shirt for them print.
Yeah.
Alright, video lady, kind of start video. Bye bye.
Bye.
Yeah, she not stop video.
Yeah, Jaja. Hey, man. One team.
Hey, team. You know the thing, come on, you never there over there.
Yeah.
And we have a donation for you from Muffet daughter Anika. Yes, from New York, $2,000. From Muffet daughter. Yeah.
Blessed love, you know, so me grow here, you know how we know.
Yeah.
So, you know, say that's our art, Anika, you see?
Yeah.
I don't know, I feel proud of you more, you see?
Yeah.
Blessed love.
Cheers.
One team.
Dream team.
Dream team.
And you also have Julia from the UK, who's team here. You see me?
Yes, Julia, man.
Julia from UK, $1,000.
Julia from the UK, blessed love, man. No care what, man. You could have even $1, man. I appreciate it. See?
Yeah.
Blessed love.
Man.
See?
Yeah, still grateful. Marvin never there, they can plant yam and banana. So, yeah. And see that so we want to start out with tall people and the farming as well to on the foul lane. You see me? Because I don't know we got highlight that already.
Yeah.
And that need for go on. And I show the rain why baby can't do the ice cream yet for the kids them because you don't know a bit of rain. Yeah, so the ice cream them are going to freeze, extra freeze. So you know when the sun hot, that'll melt. You see me? So we are continuing that and we have some school things as well to be going to sort out.
Yeah.
For some kids as well, those school books and yeah. So hopefully no rain so we can sort that out. You see me? Yeah. And that's a wow chef, you know what I mean? I also have a drink here to the team from Yui and wife.
Yui and his wife.
Yui and his wife.
Yeah, man.
We also have a drink from
Yui and his wife.
Big up Yui and his wife.
Yeah.
Big up Yui and his wife. Blessed love.
Yeah. From Yui and his wife.
Yeah, man. Give thanks, I forgive thanks.
Give thanks to the donors, them, you know?
Yeah.
All I donors, them, you know.
And the building are there today.
Big up the
Also,
builder.
and so, you know,
The teacher, the builder, you know?
electrician are there.
One of them in the Baja. Egg man Baja.
Baja.
So you don't know, say, him have to dip on the road to film like a thing to see him.
Straight for hustling.
Yeah. So you don't know him always there to give you our time, see him here. So yeah, always give thanks. So Baja just go and big up yourself, see him here. See when you see him. I'm there tomorrow still.
Yeah, man.
So he will there tomorrow. So I'm there today. So we say one team. One team. Real team. You see me, you know the thing go. Yeah. So hold on there, it's not done yet, you know. Say the thing not done yet. And we have man like Spragger. I don't know him get him compressor over there. Yeah. To start make the settee them. Yeah. And them thing there and put out him brand out there so the people them can support the thing. Yeah, I have a donor from overseas was going to get a compressor but they short of some material. So she said 17,000 towards the materials for your compressor. This is from Joan from the UK. 17,000 from Joan from the UK.
Yeah, man. JP, you know.
Joan from the UK.
Yeah.
Whole heap of love and enough respect. Yeah, man, and we have to make sure get the thing.
Yeah.
Make you see what's going on.
Yeah. Definitely.
Enough love and appreciation.
Yeah.
See it and keep safe.
Yeah.
All the donors. Respect and love.
Yeah.
Everyone, you see it?
Yeah.
We make this thing possible.
Yeah.
Likewise, Dream Team.
Yeah.
With Kino.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Thanks. And we are keep the good work further and make us respect again.
Yeah, man.
One team.
One team. Real team.
One team. Christmas now.
Yeah. So Spragger, world away by you. You see me? You know them are going to see when they set them the first one ready.
Yeah.
You see me? So give thanks to Joan. Thanks for the donation to us, called material and compressor.
Bless the love for everybody, man. You see out there, you know. What
Yeah.
Enough love.
Yeah, man. So Larry just a reaching here without him sure, so we give thanks, see him here. You know your thing though.
So we got respect again in that Joan.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Joan
Yeah,
from the
man.
UK.
Joan on the yard, that's a love wash, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's not said. Yeah, man,
It's
isn't
come,
it?
it's come like Joan.
Yeah, man,
Joan out there, sir. She don't come like Joan.
Yeah.
One team.
Yeah, man. We say one team. Real team. With that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Dream team, you know.
Check out the wormy pot. Oh, the wormy pot.
Different mixtures.
It's a different
kitchen still.
dumpling.
One team.
One team. So the whole chef not there. If you're not wormy, I'm Marvin.
One team.
And there's others. Wow. Dumpling.
Yes.
You never get a banana.
No.
Oh, special. It's a special. It's a mackerel and baked bean. Whoa, chef, did I say whoa? Mackerel and baked bean. One team. Each one help one. Right, that's a sexy bee. Where me be?
One bee.
One bee. Everything a dumpling.
Yeah, no.
Oh.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.